Yes, good morning to one and all.
Yes.
Now we have started third unit, okay, humanity. A reading which was completed before and B reading we have started. Yes, now in the B reading we are going to discuss remaining the lesson. Okay, in the part 1, just revise it once. Okay, in the part 1 what happened? Okay, the giant was very selfish. Okay, the children were playing in the garden. Okay, he couldn't bear the situation. Immediately the giant shouted on the children. The children ran away from the garden. Okay, from outside they are describing about the garden. Okay, from outside. Okay, out of the garden they were there and they are describing how beautiful it is, how we played, how it's beautiful, so many flowers are there. They are describing the garden. Okay, the giant, he is listening. Immediately he came out and he shouted at the children, "It's my garden. I won't allow anyone to my garden." Okay, he shouted at the children. Okay, that is the part 1. Okay, in the part 2, the spring did not come. Okay, only frost and next snow, and even he did not get any flowers to the trees. Okay, still winter is there. Okay, the north wind is there and north wind makes roaring sound. Okay, the still hail is there. Okay, and he habituated to that sound. Okay, every day he is waiting. Okay, when will the spring come? Every day he is waiting. Okay, but the spring did not come. Okay, in the part 2 he realized the mistake. Okay, and at that time he has seen there is a small hole to the wall. The children come through the hole and on every tree the child climb up on every tree and immediately the winter has gone away. Okay, the hail sound has gone away and there is no north wind. Okay, here in that lesson the giant realized his mistake. Okay, now he understood why didn't the spring come to his garden. Now he understood that. Okay, here onwards he decided one thing, that to give his garden to the children. Next, and he decided to knock down the wall. Okay, and here he knocked down the wall. Okay, and I already told you there is a corner, farthest corner. There is a boy. Okay, he was trying to climb up the wall, but he couldn't. And finally the giant came and helped him. Okay, that is in the previous lesson what happened. Okay, and now everybody, the children came to his garden and they were playing. Now, tall girl, now we have somewhere to play. Yes, finally we got a place to place. We have gotten a place to play. And before in the part 1 what did she say? Now we have nowhere to play. In the part 1 what did she say? We don't have any place because the giant scolded us, so we shouldn't play again there and we don't have place. Now in the part 2 what the girl says? Now we have somewhere to play. Definitely we have gotten a place to play. Now short boy, this is much better than road. Okay, in the part 1 what did he say? We can play on the roads. Okay, the giant did not give the place for us. Okay, we can play on the roads, he said. But in the part 2, this is much better than roads, he said. And square girl, yes, the road is so dusty and that makes me sneezy. Okay, the road is very dusty, that makes me sneezy. Who said that? Square girl. And graceful girl, the grass is so much nicer than all those hard stones. Okay, the grass and stones will give the hurt for the children while they were playing, but here the grass will not hurt them. Okay, and here the grass is so much nicer than all those hard stones. Okay, and round boy, I like all the flowers. Immediately the graceful girl said, and the trees. Okay, you like flowers, even I like trees and both flowers. Tall girl, how happy we were there. Thank you, Mr. Giant. Now she is showing her gratitude. Okay, how happy we were here. Thank you, Mr. Giant. And in the previous lesson, what did she say? How happy we were there, and she is thinking about her past tense. Now, finally, they have reached the place, and now the girl is saying that how happy we were here. Thank you very much. We are very happy to be here, she said. Round boy, yes, thank you. You are very nice giant. Now he is appreciating the giant. Before the giant was very selfish. Okay. Now he is very generous. Now the giant is very generous. So the brown boy is saying that thank you. You are very nice giant, he said. The giant. Now the giant. Everybody they are appreciating the giant. Okay. Everybody appreciating the garden. Means the children appreciating the garden. Now. Okay, he is observing, the giant is observing, okay, everybody, every person, every boy, every girl that they came here. But what about the little boy? I already told you, here. Where is that little boy? The giant is asking. But where is your little companion? Companion which means friend. Okay. Partner. Friend or partner. Okay. Where is your little companion? The boy I put into the tree. He is asking about that little boy. Do you remember? I kept the boy on the tree. Where is that boy? He is asking. The graceful girl. I don't know where he is. Round boy. I think he has gone away. I think he went to his hometown. That particular day only he came, I think so. I don't know where he is. The giant. You must tell him to be sure to come here tomorrow. Just intimate him. Let him come to my place. Let him come to our garden. Okay. Tomorrow we will play along with the little boy. The giant is saying that. Tall girl. I don't know where he lives. I don't know where he lives. Only that particular day only we have seen him. And there onwards we didn't see him. Square girl. I have never seen him before. Yes. I never. Even I also never seen him before. Only that particular day I have seen him. The giant. But I wanted to thank him. When he kissed me on the cheek, I felt as though a great weight had been lifted from my heart. Okay. And here, I already told you this boy, means the little boy has kissed the giant. Okay. What happened at the time? Okay, that heart is completely, he feels too much repentance. Okay, so much repentance is there in his heart, realization. Okay, why did the mistake? Why did I do the mistake? That realization is there in his heart. Immediately when the boy kissed on his cheek, that realization, okay, that feeling sorry, everything has gone away. Okay, now he feels very free. That's why I wanted to thank him. Short boy, I'm sorry. I don't think he lives around here. I didn't see him before. Only means he came here means in this surrounding for any relative's place. I didn't see him before. I think I never meet him again. The boy said. Old giant. Every afternoon when school was over, the children came and played with me, and I never saw him. I never saw again the little boy who loved. I would like to see him again. And okay, every day the children they are coming to the garden. Okay, but though the children came, but still he is waiting for the little boy. When will he come? When will he come? Yes. Oh, I would like to see him again. I have grown old and feeble. Okay, now I got old age. Now I'm feeble. Feeble means there is no strength to do the work. Okay, now I grown old and feeble. Still wait to the boy. I cannot play about with the children anymore. So I sit here in my armchair and watch the children at their game and admire my garden. Okay. Then before he played with the children. Okay. Now he entered to the old age. Okay. There is no strength to him to play with the children. So he arranged the armchair near the garden, and in the armchair he is lying down and he is watching the children. How beautiful they are. Okay, he is admiring the children. He feels very happy. He feels very happy to see the children back. I have many beautiful flowers, but the children are the most beautiful flowers of all. Okay, I have many beautiful flowers here. To compare the flowers, the children are more beautiful. He is appreciating the children. Before he scolded at the children, now he is appreciating. He is admiring the children. And getting up, looking out of the window. I no longer hate the winter. It's merely spring asleep. The flowers are resting. Yes, here there is a scene. Okay, and every day now the old Jane, the Jane became old. Okay, now something he has seen. Okay, here he thinks that I'm dreaming. Okay, some dream or something he got it. But actually, what happened? The old Jane dies here. Okay. Now he has seen some picture there. I no longer hate the winter and merely the spring asleep. Spring has gone again. The flowers are resting. There are no flowers. Suddenly he rubs his eyes in wonder and looks around. What a marvelous sight this sees. In the farthest corner of the garden, the tree covered a lovely white blossoms. Its branches are all golden and silver fruits hang down from them. What is this? Can it be? Oh, can it be? He has come back. He has come back. Yes. And here I already told you that is the farthest corner. The boy came. Okay, reminding all the garden. Okay, completely that is the winter. And in this farthest corner, okay, what happened? In the farthest corner of the garden, the tree covered lovely, yes, the tree covered with lovely white blossoms. That blossoms are, the flowers are white in color. Its branches are all gold, okay. Whatever the branches are here, these are in gold, okay. And here, this stem is in silver, white in color. Yes, yes, is it correct? Is it, I am watching, is it really? Is it correct? He is rubbing his eyes. Okay, and finally the boy came to his garden. Oh, can it be? He has come back. He has come back. Old Jane leaps down the stairs and into the snowy garden and to the grassy patch where the child is standing. Here from his house, immediately he came back and he want to see. The boy came back. Okay. Yes. When he draws close the child and examines him, his face grows red with anger. Okay. And finally the boy came. The Jane eagerly waiting to get the boy again. And finally the boy came. Here, when the Jane sees the boy, the Jane face completely became anger. Why? See. Means here the small boy's body completely full of blood, and especially on his hand there is a blood. Okay, there is a hurts are there on his hand and over body. Immediately the giant is asking, old giant, who has dared to wound thee? Here this is the old English. Some words we can find here. Those words are old English. We have now what we are talking, that is the nowadays English. This is the modern English. Now in the old days they will use hath instead of has. Okay, and who has dared to wound you? He means that is the old English. Now we are using you. Okay, who has dared to wound you? Your hands, your feet. Who had dared to wound you? Yes, who hurt you? Who have hurted you? Why? What means why? You are a very small boy. Who have dared to hurt you? Tell me, that I may take out my sword and will slay him. Slay, that is the old English. Now we are using that the word kill. Yes. Who is that? Who hurt you? Let me know. Definitely I will kill him. Immediately I will take out my sword. Means I will take out my knife or sword. Okay, it's a long knife. Okay, I will take out my sword. I will kill him. He said. Here the child. Nay is the old English. Now we are using no. Okay, child. No, but these are the wounds of love. Okay, these are the wounds of. This is the symbols of love. Okay, whatever I am having hurts on my hands and on my hands and legs. These are the What are those? These are the wounds of love. Means they are the symbols of love. They are necessary. They must be here. He said. Who said? The old one. Old giant. Falling to his knees. Immediately falling to his knees. Means here immediately he fell down his knees. Little child, who are you? Here though means you. Means this is the old English. Now this is nowadays English, modern English. Okay, who are you? Here art also, that is the old English. This means R. R. Okay. Yes, who are you? The boy smiling. You let me means the boy is not saying anything. Okay, who is that boy? Yes, that boy is none other than the Jesus Christ. Okay, and now the child smiling. You let me play once in your garden. Today you shall come with me to live in my garden, which is in paradise. Okay, now at the time you have given me a chance to play in your garden. Now you have to come to my garden, where that is in the paradise. Okay, that paradise means heaven. You have to come with me to my paradise, to heaven. Why? Because the giant has completely became a good person. Before he is a cruel one, means selfish one. Now he is the generous one. Then that's why the God has given a chance to come to his garden, that is paradise, means heaven. The child climbs up into the old giant's arms. The winter melts away before them as they walk into an ever expanding garden. Okay, they are walking, and now along with them, where they are going to the paradise. Paradise means heaven. What happened here? Finally, the giant has died. Okay, the giant died here. Now, after his death, he is going to heaven because he realized that mistake. If you realize that, definitely you will reach the heaven place. Okay, so we have to realize, as a human beings, we commit to do mistakes, but we have to realize it. Okay, then the God will be with us. Okay, then there is a place for us in the heaven. Okay, from this lesson, everybody understood this lesson. From this lesson, what did you understand? We have to be generous. What we are having, we have to give. We have to help others. We have to give to others what we are having. Okay, from this lesson, we have to learn. Okay, we must learn that generosity. Okay, this is the lesson, the selfish change part 2. I think everybody understood. Thank you.